Oh, you're gonna walk? Walk. Walk.
Come on, we can do better than that. Are you ready for Walkies?
Oh!
I'd say make me feel pretty.
Ah. Oh! Yep. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Baby. Oh, it's
The Google, it's the Google bridge. Oh my god, the bridge is getting harder. Yeah. That makes sense. Please use the rest, please don't use the stairs. Don't have a split. Yeah, let's see the wheel. I do see. Yeah, it's also $25 to go on the wheel. $25?
That's really impressive. No, like the seat's really fucking cool. Like the spots are really impressive.
Oh, thank you so much. I really like this too.
No, you're older than me. Oh my god. Oh, cool. Please do not fall in the water. No. 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 No fall in the water, please.
Yeah.
What did I say would happen? Don't fall in, please.
Oh, wait, so it is your suit.
So yeah, got a lot of furries here tonight. It's a good turnout actually, really good turnout this evening for this South Bank Furry walk. And someone's serving Bill's already fallen in the drink, isn't he? Look at this. Wet fur. Wet fur. We've got a couple of. Heart. And someone playing copyrighted music just to make my life a bit more fun. Have I got more badge on the right way around? Yes, I have. That's a good start. A good.
I can buy it.
Try and stay away from the copyright music if I can. It's noisy around here. A lot of noisy furriness going on. Gosh, I've got an itchy nose. Amazing to get an itchy nose when you're filming, isn't it? Wouldn't believe it. Oh. What's on earth? That's a bit of an interesting. That's an interesting zone you got there.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, haven't seen that before.
No sacrificing tonight!
Ah, yeah. Lightly roasted deer dragon, anybody? Lightly roasted. Microwave, yeah, different.
You need to be my guy. I can't see.
That's to see. It's my favourite dragon. And here's our friend the bat. Dun, dun, dun. La. Da, da, da. We are just to see. It's fun. This is good fun. Okay. Let's go, Wanda. Go, Wanda. Let's go once. Hello, how are you? Hi, how's it going? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Da, da. Da, da. Wait, da, 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 da. Man. Happy. So who's going to be the first furry to take a swim tonight? Wow. Yeah. See, there it is. Ah, yeah. See. And I am the present status. See, yeah. Man. No man. The man. The young man. The 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 YMC was this. Can I ask a favour? Can you hold that for a second, please? Just a quick costume adjustment here. Hey, Fursuit. That's better. Costume adjustment done. Thank you. Thank you. Status. Yes, yeah. Did see. Did you? Oh. Hi, how are you going there? Good night. I'm well, thank you. Have a good night. Yeah, okay. Some tail on tonight? Oh, you're well. Yeah, good stuff.
I wish I had like a couple because then I'd like go around the mountain and like race.
Yeah.
But you seem to know.
See, yeah. Here we go.
That's what I want. Like, it's like combined. But I got on Etsy, they sell them for $1,000. That's actually really
There you
good.
go.
Yeah.
9 tails.
9 tails.
But one will do me. One will do me.
I was like, I wonder if we could go to like, maybe like 5.
Go wander. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Sorry, sorry. Someone's taking. Just wondering how much. So they call this place the Peace Pagoda. It's part of the South Bank Parklands. We're talking with partial suits on. We'll wander around a bit. We'll try and chop something out of this to make a video of. So Fursuit is doing silly. Don't have a goat this evening, I don't think. No goats tonight. I'm just saying that we don't have a goat this evening to make fun of, do we? Haven't seen him yet. Of course, go for it. Go for it. Okay, I was thinking. Either. Try to walk into anything. All right. Hello, you're cute. You're very cute.
Hi, Orlando.
Hello there, Fudge. How are you?
Bring them over.
Oh, you've got them. They're coming.
This is the artist of the badge. And,
Oh, wow.
so this was the art they did. Someone have a build in the background with purple. And then this one was done by this big goopy goober. Yeah. How the heck? Snap hats?
Yep.
Can I have a snap?
Yep.
Can I pet snap?
You can.
Yeah. This goopy goober over here has a 360 camera. And
Yep.
posts videos of the meat, which is amazing.
Yep. Yep.
They do such a great job as well.
Yep. Do some.
And there is a microphone in his mouth.
Ah.
Right now.
Yeah, there's a microphone there.
He's prepared.
Ah, something like that. Actually, I'm trying something out here tonight. I'm using double audio because this is recording as well. So we'll see if we can remix it at the end, see what it sounds like.
Hopefully it sounds great.
Great, really great, lad. No, this is all fun. It's all fun.
Can't even see me because I'm so small.
But there's all these.
And guess what? Same height level as his eyeballs. And oh my god, I can see everyone's suit.
Oh yeah, you can see everyone's head too. Top of their head.
Yeah.
Moving.
Oh, wait. No. Ignore me. Do not I have no idea what I'm talking about. We are starting the walk from over here at this exit. Please do not go where I said before. I know what I'm doing. Yeah,
None of the rest of us do, though.
Decapitated fursuit over here in the sky. Right. Apologies. This is where we are resuming the walk from. I know what I'm doing. Alrighty, so if I could get everyone to come over here for me, that would be greatly appreciated. Ooh, I can see up here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it makes such a difference. I never bothered. So once we leave for the walk, if you choose to remain behind, you're doing so outside of SPFM at your own risk. The usual. Alright, onwards and upwards, we're ready to go! Let's go!
Go.
Please do not trip over the side, especially if you're in a fursuit. If you are not in a suit and you see a fursuit and need help, please offer assistance. Any help will stay later in the end. Breathe in the nature.
As I say, this is always a bit more challenging than the Gold Coast meet because it's dark and there's a variety of obstacles placed in your way to fall over and hurt yourself on. We're doing okay at the moment. It's using the ramps mostly. But there's certainly a possibility of walking into things. You can't see down very well in this suit. You've got no peripheral vision either.
As you come up from the ground, please be mindful of the children's off area. Do not walk over the rope thing. No, do not encourage. Alrighty, we'll be getting our photo here. So if I could get Fursuit on the little stage, can you be here? That would be greatly appreciated. Everyone else, there will be time for the everyone photo afterwards. So Fursuit only first onto the little stage bit. Everyone else up on the grass with me and my annoying voice. Now the age-old question: does a giant dinosaur count as a fursuit?
Yes! The dinosaur counts! The dinosaur stays!
If the dinosaur wishes to be in the fursuit photo, the dinosaur may be in the fursuit photo.
Huzzah!
So if I can get everyone who is not in the photo to come up here, just so we don't block that little walkway as we come in. Fursuiters, the photo is happening on the little, I want to say, platform. Thank you.
Yeah.
Stage, platform, patio, podium thing.
One of them. Whatever item this is.
Do a hot
The microwave's going to be in the photo.
You take a few Tylenol?
Someone stick my head off, please.
Tyler's taller than me.
So once again, non-suiters up here with me, please. Non-suiters up here. Alright, non-suiters. Follow the click, non-suiters. Don't give me the finger, I saw that. Oh, God. Alright, where is our amazing photographer? Oh, God. Alrighty. I forgot how good the mic is. What? Alright, are we back far enough? Are we back far enough? A little bit more? Alright, non-suitors, we need to move a little bit further back from... Oh, no, I'm the problem. Okay. So if I can get first suitors looking over... over by me. We are taking the photo from here, so get ready to strike your poses.
Alright,
No dying.
down in front. Oh, fuck this is hot.
Alright, we're now going to take the photo, so say clicker!
Clicker.
Oh, clicker!
Clicker.
Say cheese!
Cheese. Ooh.
Who the hell's howling?
Oh. Oh.
Howling is
Ow. Full moon.
Oh my god.
Keep that pose. Yeah. Alrighty, non-suitors, everyone else, if you'd like to join in the photo, now is the time. So non-suitors, come on down. Ow. Come on down, non-suitors. Oh, this one will make this wrong.
Is there room for everyone? We need to back up. We make more room.
Don't sit on the face of the phone.
Sorry. Hit you on the ear.
Alright, final call if you want to be in the photo, now's the time. Going once, going twice. Say annoying admin. That get you all. Oh my. Clearly you will hate me.
Oh. 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 Oh.
No. Alright, we are all good for the photo. Thank you, everybody.
Hey. Sorry to hit you on the ear. Didn't mean to do that. Can I get off this thing without hurting myself?
Wait, I can't remember.
It's not easy.
Who gave me the
Put them down without damaging myself.
Who gave me the clicker?
This is where it all gets a bit silly because everyone's now feeling hot and will take their head off.
Yeah.
Literally, the bits of me that are hot are actually my body, and I haven't even got a bodysuit on tonight. Kind of see where I'm going now. Yippee.
You've given me a terrible idea.
Hi. You're very cute as well. You are very cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So are you?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. What's going on here? I dread to think.
You're all so predictable.
Oh, it's Bill. Hello, Bill.
If you were the
It's going good, thanks, Bill. I'm going good, thank you, mate. There we are. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Absolutely. It's the main thing. I get on and have a good time. It's a silliness. Hello there, how are you?
I like your head.
Thanks. I like my head too.
Thank
Pretty cool.
gone.
Okay, good. Oh, this is good. A dinosaur. Takes the. So people start taking heads off and things. Yeah, it's got half of the meat is sort of headless at this stage. Makes it very difficult to get photos that don't involve people not fully suited. I think it's make my life a bit more fun. They're playing presumably copyrighted music.
The microwave is on the run! The microwave is on the run! Oh!
Oh dear.
Go! But don't tip and go! Watch where you're running! Average SPFM be like.
Oh dear, Fudge has got the microwave. Oh dear. Here's Bill. Bill looks intent on something. He's going to try and tackle Fudge.
I can't even run that fast holding nothing. How are you
This is not. This is weird. This is just weird. This is what you want, though, isn't it? You don't want to. Oh, the microwave's been caught anyway. That's good. Variety of people, yeah. What's going on here? We've got more microwave theft going on. It looks like Bill's got the microwave. Chasing each other around with a microwave. What do you do in your spare time? I chase people with microwaves. Here's a very cute dragon down here. I always love this dragon. Beautiful suit. And more suitors down here, sort of, yeah, who should be fully suited but aren't, of course. Can't put your head on. Put your head on. Yep, there we go. You're on camera. Or you can be on camera. You make the edit. These actually really is. You want one of these? They're great.
How much did it cost you?
$8.40. It's cheaper than a fursuit. Cheaper than a fursuit. I wander around, look at people.
Has been alerted to some lost property. Has anyone picked up an orange power bank? An orange power bank.
Still got me nose ringing. Yes, I have. That's good. It was hard. You can't see your nose ring and you can't feel your nose ring. So you don't know whether it's still there or not. It's on stage tonight. Chase the microwave still.
The microwave is more of an icon than I ever should be.
Great.
Oh.
The orange power bank has been located in their tails. Never mind. Just furry things. Oh, I've lost my copy. Never mind. It's in my tail.
Furry.
Can't really relate, sadly. One day, I'm not a
One day.
This is your friendly reminder to drink water if you have not drunk water. Please don't die.
Oh dear.
Yeah, the saber tooth.
What's going on over here? I dread to think low-grade furriness going on. I'm not sure. You right there? No?
Stressing tomorrow.
Oh dear, could be worse. Here's my favourite dragon. Hello, how are you? How are you tonight? Oh, you're good. You're good. There you are, you're. It's good to see you. Do some dragony things, yep. Dragony things together. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, 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 rah. Oh, did it? I'm in a howling mood this evening. Oh, full moon. Oh, oh. Yes, full moon. Got a howl. Oh. Let's go. Oh dear. By the stage of the walk, everyone's getting hot, so the fursuits are actually being taken off, and yeah. Griffith University, Queensland Conservatorium. I've seen they play music there. But anyway. This looks like fun. I'm going to walk a bit, so walk this way. And see what's happening. Yeah, I think the sweat is raining down inside in Balaclava at this point. It's getting warm tonight. How are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Mr. Orlando.
Yeah, I'm good. Having a good night.
Alright, everybody, we're going to gear up to head back to the barbecue now.
Oh,
so if I could get you over by where my voice is.
How are we going?
Oi, 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 oi. Put it down, put it down. Naughty.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
Okay, so we're going to head back to the barbecue area very shortly. So if I could get you over by where I am. Just a reminder that if you choose to stay behind, you're doing so at your own risk outside of SPFM, and we are not responsible for you. Thank you. Alrighty. Can you stop touching my speaker? Don't caress my speaker. What? My speaker's getting touched. No, don't. I understand you by the dinosaur. Look what you've done. Alrighty. We have a Alrighty, we're going to start making our way back now. So, last call to come back with us. If you choose to remain behind, you're doing so at your own risk. We will start making our way back now. Please follow me. Yes, thank you for nodding. There is a step after the wooden part of this walkway, so please be mindful. Firstly, there's
Try not to fall down the steps. You got some. Yep.
Please do not fall and die. We have our lovely Teddy here showing you where the step is. Please be very sure how to press the step.
Can I see the step?
Oh, yeah. Just past the wood. Careful of step. I'm going to trip intentionally. Careful of step.
Why are we talking talk? The ghost isn't even here. Let me have fun.
Yeah, this is designed just to make it a bit more fun, isn't it? Fall over something and hurt yourself. Go into the dark, down this pathway with the coloured lighting.
Alrighty.
We are having fun.
We will not be going out into the walkway. We'll be making a right here. And then we will follow him around, not the center, the
Tut, 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 tut. Tut, 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 tut. Well, there we go. That was a fun walk. A lot of silliness going on, which is exactly what you'd hope to happen to these things. Life's too sensible to wear a fursuit. Whoa, walked into that. Let's walk into something. Becomes a theme of my videos, doesn't it? Philip hurting himself while he's walking around as Orlando. Yes, absolutely. Oh, actually, I think I have done some damage there. My right thigh is hurting now. Anyway, let's try taking some fursuit off, shall we? And I'll stop this camera recording, I think, now, because I think that's probably enough for one.